wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best baking books. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. After thousands of hours of testing, Cook's Illustrated's baking book offers advice on equipment, ingredients, and techniques that are useful for first-timers, experts, and everyone in between. It includes a shopping guide with specific brand recommendations too. It contains more than 450 easy-to-follow recipes and step-by-step illustrations. However, it hasn't been updated much from the previous edition. At number 9, for those who are watching their weight but who still like to indulge from time to time, Dessert for Two offers small batch recipes that won't leave you with a bunch of tempting leftovers. It blends Southern, Californian, and Midwestern styles to provide something for everyone's taste. It's written in an approachable manner and includes both basic and advanced recipes, but some special equipment is required. Coming in at number 8 in our list. Whether you're on a gluten-free diet or are just in the mood to experiment, Flavor Flowers will prove instructive. Author Alice Medrich shows how buckwheat, teff, sorghum, and other ancient grains, non-wheat flours, and nuts can add depth to traditional desserts. It includes guidance on shopping and storage, and the dishes range from simple to complex. However, it is overly reliant on rice flour. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for baking books, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, in The Perfect Cookie, you don't just learn how to make the best brownies, ginger snaps, and biscotti you've ever had. It also goes into the science behind what makes the ingredients work together and teaches you kitchen-tested methods for improving your skills. It can help you produce consistent results and also covers candies and chocolates. You get a full-page photo for each recipe. Moving up our list to number 6. In Baking From My Home to Yours, Dori Greenspan divulges her personal favorite recipes, from simple raisin swirl bread to decadent multi-layer cakes. This one's easy to follow for beginners, but still offers some worthwhile knowledge for more experienced cooks. Each section contains useful tips and high-quality photos. The glossary is exceptionally detailed. Halfway up our list at number 5. Dominique Ansel, The Secret Recipes, comes from the creator of the famous cronut, who was named the world's best pastry chef in 2017 and is the owner of one of New York's highly rated bakeries. It utilizes common ingredients and the sections are arranged by difficulty. It contains some gluten-free desserts too. At number 4, Bravetart, Iconic American Desserts, is full of classics such as cherry pie, red velvet cake, and blueberry muffins. It's written in a precise yet approachable manner that cooks of all levels can follow. It includes a foreword by J. Kenji Lopez Alt and discusses the history behind the recipes. It includes gluten-free modifications. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. If you're partial to savory rather than sweet, Flour, Water, Salt, Yeast is a good resource for learning how to make homemade bread in all its forms. It covers quick recipes like pizza dough and some more advanced, time-consuming projects like sourdough loaves. It was the winner of the James Beard Award and uses simple ingredients. It explains fundamental concepts well. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for baking books, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, named the Diva of Desserts, Rose Levy Berenbaum brings her extensive expertise to the Baking Bible. Each chapter includes a list of golden rules that'll help you hone your skills and make perfect cakes, tarts, pastries, and breads. It's extremely well organized and the directions are highly detailed, plus it contains a troubleshooting section. And coming in at number 1 on our list, classic French and American confections come together in Bouchon Bakery, written by restaurateur Thomas Keller and his executive pastry chef Sébastien Ruel. It explains some seemingly complicated techniques like tempering chocolate in a beginner-friendly manner. It includes measurements by weight and volume and thorough instructions. It won the IACP Award for Photography. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for baking books, or simply click beneath this video.